Let's be honest, every guy wants bigger arms. It's not just about looks, it's about power, presence, and confidence. When your arms fill out a t-shirt, people notice. But here's the thing, you don't need fancy gym equipment or endless curls to make it happen. You can build serious size using nothing but your own body weight. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, how to use pure calisthenics to pack on real muscle, develop strength, and carve out arms that command attention. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just proven methods that work if you put in the effort. So stay locked in, because by the end of this, you'll know the blueprint for building bigger arms, straight from the ground up. The first step to building bigger arms with calisthenics is mastering the basics. You can't build size on a weak base. Before thinking about advanced moves or fancy variations, you need full control of your body weight. Your core movements here are push-ups, pull-ups, and dips, the three pillars of upper body strength. Each one trains the muscle groups that make your arms look powerful: your chest, triceps, shoulders, and biceps. Now here's the part most people miss. It's not about how many reps you do, it's about how you do them. Every push-up should be clean. Lower your chest all the way down, squeeze your core, and push back up with intent. Every pull-up should be controlled. No swinging, no jerking, just raw strength. If you can perform 15 perfect pull-ups, 30 push-ups, and 15 clean dips, you've already built the kind of foundation most guys skip, and that's why they never grow. Master these first, and your arms will start responding fast. The second step to getting bigger arms is building your triceps. Most guys focus too much on curls, but your triceps make up nearly 2/3 of your arm. If you want thicker, more defined arms, this is where the real growth happens. In calisthenics, your best tricep builders are dips, diamond push-ups, and close grip push-ups. These movements pack on strength and size when done with control. Start with dips. Keep your body upright, lower slowly, feel the stretch, and drive back up through your palms. Don't rush the motion. Make every rep count. Then move to diamond push-ups. Hands tight under your chest, elbows close, lowering until your chest nearly touches your hands. Focus on tension, not speed. The secret is muscle control. Squeeze your triceps at the top of every rep and keep your form locked in. You don't need to do hundreds, just clean, focused sets that push your limits. Train smart, stay consistent, and your triceps will start to carve out that powerful look. The kind that makes your arms look full from every angle. Now let's talk about the biceps, the muscle everyone wants to show off. With calisthenics, you're not curling dumbbells, so you have to get creative. The goal is to use your body weight to create constant tension, forcing the biceps to grow. Your main weapon here is the chin-up. Palms facing you, elbows tight, full range of motion. Pull your chin over the bar and lower slowly. That slow descent is what tears the fibers and builds real size. Quality beats quantity every single time. Once you've mastered standard chin-ups, step it up with towel chin-ups or Australian chin-ups on a low bar. The towel adds instability, forcing your biceps to work harder. With Australian chin-ups, focus on keeping your body straight and pulling with your arms, not your back. Every rep should feel controlled and intentional. You're not swinging. You're lifting yourself with raw arm power. That's what builds shape and thickness. And remember, your biceps don't need to be hit every day. 2 or 3 solid sessions a week with proper rest will help them grow stronger and more defined. Stay patient, stay consistent, and you'll start seeing veins pop and lines deepen, the kind of detail that shows real work has been done. If you want your arms to grow, you need to push them beyond comfort. That's where progressive overload comes in. In simple terms, your muscles only grow when they're forced to adapt to more resistance, more control, or more intensity than before. In calisthenics, that doesn't mean lifting heavier weights. It means making your own body weight harder to move. Once a movement starts to feel easy, it's time to level it up. Turn regular push-ups into pseudo-planche push-ups, standard dips into Korean dips, and basic pull-ups into archer pull-ups. Each variation adds tension, balance, and control, the 3 elements that trigger new growth. You can also manipulate tempo. Try slowing down the eccentric phase, the lowering part of each rep. That extra time under tension forces your muscles to fight harder. Then, mix in explosive reps for power. The balance of slow control and fast strength builds muscle density. The key is this: never train on autopilot. Each session should challenge you in a new way. Add reps, change angles, increase control. That's how you go from average results to real transformation. Progress isn't about doing more. It's about doing better. Your arms don't grow while you're training. They grow when you recover. You can push hard every session, but if you don't give your body time to rebuild, you'll hit a wall instead of progress. Aim to train your arms 2 to 3 times a week, with at least 48 hours of rest between sessions. That's when real growth happens. Recovery isn't just about rest, it's about fuel. Eat enough protein, stay hydrated, and get quality sleep. Without that, your effort in training won't mean much. Remember, consistency and smart recovery always beat overtraining. Push yourself, but respect your limits. That balance is what builds lasting strength and visible results. If you want bigger arms, keep it simple. Stay consistent, train with focus, and let every rep count. You don't need a gym, just effort, control, and time. Results won't come overnight, but they will come if you stay locked in. So train hard, recover well, and stay patient. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more straight-up training content, built for results, not excuses. Now get to work and earn it.